Hello, my people. Let's move those legs. Our legs are truly amazing, carrying us through life's adventures. But just like any powerful machine, they need the right fuel to stay strong and mobile. We're talking about the top foods that will keep your legs feeling fantastic for years to come. Get ready to discover the power of food and how it can transform your leg health. Protein is essential for building and maintaining powerful leg muscles. Think of protein as the building block of your muscles, helping to repair and rebuild them after every movement. Lean meats like chicken and fish are fantastic sources, but don't forget about plant-based options like beans, lentils, and tofu. Make sure to include a good source of protein in every meal to keep those legs happy. Let's talk about vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. It helps your body absorb calcium, which is essential for strong bones. Vitamin D also plays a direct role in muscle function, ensuring your legs have the power and coordination they need to move with ease. So soak up some sun. But remember, you can also boost your vitamin D levels through your diet. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna are excellent sources, as well as egg yolks and fortified foods like milk and cereal. Calcium is crucial for strong and healthy legs. It provides the strength and structure bones need to support your body weight and withstand impact. Without enough calcium, our bones can become weak and brittle, increasing the risk of fractures. Dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese are excellent sources of calcium. Leafy green vegetables, almonds, and fortified plant-based milks can also contribute to strong, healthy bones. Omega-3 fatty acids are the superheroes of joint health. They act like a lubricant, reducing inflammation and protecting our joints from wear and tear. Omega-3s can help keep those joints moving smoothly, reducing stiffness and pain. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are packed with omega-3s. You can also find them in flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Antioxidants protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which contribute to aging. Colorful fruits and vegetables like berries, spinach, and kale are packed with antioxidants. Green tea, dark chocolate, and even a little red wine can also contribute to your daily dose of these powerful protectors. Magnesium plays a vital role in muscle function and recovery. It acts as a natural muscle relaxant, helping to prevent cramps and spasms. Getting enough magnesium can be especially important after exercise, as it helps our muscles recover and rebuild. Leafy green vegetables, almonds, avocados, and dark chocolate are all great sources of magnesium. There you have it. We've explored some of the most powerful foods to keep your legs strong, mobile, and feeling fantastic. Taking care of our legs is an investment in our overall health and well-being. Make these foods a regular part of your diet and feel the difference. Share this video with your loved ones and help them take care of their health.